Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine. What about you?
I'm great. Thank you. Is your name Mahilini?
Yes.
Yes. Where are you from?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. You're in Abu Dhabi. Okay. Very good. So what's the time? Is it 5 o'clock?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So did you go to school today or are you in your holidays?
Today school.
Today you had school. Okay.
First
Good.
day.
Hmm?
First day of the class.
First day, okay, today only your school had reopened for grade 2.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Hello, Pooja. Is your name? What's your name?
Spoon.
Nipun. Okay, rename yourself Nipun so that I can know it, no?
Yes.
Thank you. And how are you, Nipun?
Nice.
Nice. Okay, where are you from?
Pune.
Pune. Okay, fine. So which school are you in?
Walnut.
Walnut. Okay, very good. So you have a new friend today, Mahirini. She's from Abu Dhabi, so she's also in grade 2. Okay, so today is the first class, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so do you know my name?
No.
Okay, I'll tell you. But before that, uh, thank you so much for being on time. Okay, you both have joined right on time, the time where the class begins. But can we also wait for the others?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's wait for the others. Maybe we'll wait for 2, 3 minutes, check if anyone joins us, and then we'll start. Okay? Yeah.
यार मैं पर कौन सा वेट चल रही हूँ
Okay. So we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. And then we are going to start at 6:37. That is 5-7 of your time, Mahirini. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay. So until then, can we know about ourselves? Like, what's your favorite subject in school? What is the best thing that you do in your school? Can you tell me such things?
My favorite subject in the school is art.
Art. What do you do in arts?
Art and maths.
Oh, great. Okay. What do you do in my arts?
I draw.
Now, name ला rename कसं करतात? Zoom ला? काय ते? Speaker Bluetooth च्या आहेत ना? Bluetooth च्या होते
ह्याचे
ना?
स्पीकर कुठे आहेत?
Good evening, Darsh. Is your name Darsh Modi? Yeah, what's your name? Is it Darsh?
Audio is on.
Is it Darsh?
Darsh.
Darsh. Okay, good evening, Darsh. How are you doing? How are you?
Good evening.
Good.
I am fine.
Huh?
I am fine.
You're fine, okay. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Ranchi.
You're from Ranchi. Okay, very good. That's nice. That's a place where I think you watch cricket. Do you know Dhoni?
Yes.
So that's a place where Dhoni is from, right? No? Okay.
Yes, Ranchi, na?
Ranchi.
Okay. Okay. Nipun, can you rename yourself from Poojas to your own name? Good evening, Mahira. How are you?
Good.
Great. Where are you from, Mahira?
Durga. Durga.
Gurgaon. Okay, so you're
Crocodile.
uh,
Crocodile. Okay, okay.
okay. So here there are four children in my class. The first class, Poojas, Mahirini, Darsh, and Mahira. No, Pooja, sorry. Nipun, Mahirini, Darsh, and Mahira. Okay, good children. So we are very, very fine to begin the new class, right?
Yes.
Okay. So today being first class, I would definitely keep it light with
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Dash.
Where are you from?
Okay, I am from Coimbatore. Do you know this place, Coimbatore?
Have you heard
Okay,
of
do you know
Coimbatore?
Chennai? Do you know Chennai?
Yes.
Yeah, it's near to Chennai.
Ma'am, I also know Coimbatore.
You know Coimbatore. Wow, good. So I'm from that place. Okay, very good. Okay, good. Good that you asked it. Very good. Okay, so I'm Janini and I'm from Coimbatore and I'll be handling math for you. Okay,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Yes.
So are we all very good to start the first class for today?
Yes.
Okay, that's amazing. Okay, so today being the first class, I would like to know from you what's your favorite part in math?
What is your favorite?
Favorite part?
Is math, do you like math first? Okay, that's
Ma'am,
like
ma'am, I love math.
you love. Okay, Mahirini also said that. What about Nipun and Mahira? Do you like it?
I like math.
Do you like it? Nah? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay, Mahira shows me an emoji. Okay, good. What about Nipun? Do you like math?
Yes.
Okay, so everybody likes. So my job is going to be really easy and interesting, right? Okay, so what's your favorite thing on what's the easiest part in Max? Or maybe your favorite part? Yes, Mahira, tell me.
Part in math is the easiest part in math is when we do addition.
Addition. Okay, good. Okay. Then others, Darsh, what's your favorite and the easiest one? Mahirini, Poojas, what are your favorites?
My favorite is number line.
Number line. Okay, that's easy. Good. Yes, Mahirini, tell me.
I like addition.
You like addition. Very good. Okay, Nipun, what is the thing you like about math?
I like division.
Division. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, children, how many of you know tables here?
Yes.
Okay, so till which number you know the tables?
Till
Till seven, you know.
20.
Till 20, you know. Very good. Mahira and Mahirini, how about you? Till which number you know tables?
I haven't been taught
You've
in
been in.
school.
Okay, good. Okay, okay. Mahirini, yours?
I also don't know tables.
You don't know tables. Okay, children, now listen to me. Tables are something very important in a math. So, there are tables. See, for grade two, it's good to know till 10 tables. Okay, so what we are going to do is, okay, starting from today, you're going to learn tables every day. Let's say we're going to take 1 month to learn 10 tables. Yeah, can we say that? Or 2 to 3 weeks? 2 weeks, I think, will be enough for us to learn the 10 tables. Each day, one table. So 10 days will be enough for us to learn 10 tables, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. So starting from today, you're going to learn tables two. Okay, two table is very easy. Okay, I'm gonna teach you those and then begin with our class. Mhm. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So do you know what even numbers are, children?
Yes.
So what are even numbers? Children, I don't
Zero.
want any of you to write on the board. Do not use your things.
0, 2, 4, 6,
Mm,
8, 10,
mm, mm.
12,
Very.
14,
Mm.
16, 8, 18, 20, 22.
Very good. Very good. Enough. So the numbers that end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So
ये राजी की है?
that will be your two tables. Okay.
2 4s are 8. 2
Yeah.
5 are 10. 2 6 2 6 are 12. 2 7 are 40. 2 8 are 2 8 are
Okay. Okay. So what is the first even number you all know? Mahini, what's the first even number you know?
0.
2. Okay. Mahira, what's the next even number?
0 is not even number.
After 2, what is the next even number? Mahira?
0 4.
And keep continuing it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Dash.
The 0 is the even number.
Yeah, but 0 is not in a table because you cannot multiply a number by 0. Okay. But 0 is definitely an even number. Okay. Okay, so you're going to know your two tables with the help of even numbers starting from 2. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So this is your two tables. Okay, okay, yes. All of you clear with this?
Yes,
Yes, Mahini?
costly.
Can you write this on the notebook?
No, no, you need not write. You might have it. Okay, your parents may give you this, so you need not write it now. Okay, so keep this. Okay, so you need not write now. Okay, when I ask you to, you can only copy them. Okay, but these two tables is what you're going to learn for the day after my class. Okay. Okay, so will you all do this learning for me after the class? Will you all learn this for me today? Yes. Show me a thumbs up episode. Okay, children, that's amazing. Good job. So you're going to learn the two tables and we are going to know the place and face values of a number. So do you know what a place and face value are? Hmm?
No. No.
No. Okay. So let's say this number for me.
See,
What number have I written on the board?
489.
How will you read the number together?
489.
489. Good, right? Children, now listen to me. All of you, I want you to listen. Listening? Yes? Okay. So when the number is 489, you're going to know these place values today.
Okay.
Okay. So starting from last, this will be your ones place. This will be your tens place.
10 plates.
And this is
100 place.
hundredth place. Okay, because it is 100, you read it as 489. So the number is 489. Understood?
Okay.
Do you know this?
Yes.
Do you know this, children?
Yes.
So, okay. So we are going to read a number by the places. Okay. So the last one will be ones place. Then it will be tens place. Then it will be hundreds place. What will be next? Then it will be thousands
Next.
place. And then 10,000 place. Okay. Now listen, children. From the last, please, I want all of you to listen. I want all of you to listen. Children, keep yourself on mute. Whenever I ask you, only at that time you need to tell me. Okay. Okay. Now listen to me. So the last one is ones place, then tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and you have 10,000s place. Okay. So if I write this number, what is this number read as? How will you read this number? Yeah. How will you read this number?
5.
5.
5.
And if I add a 3 here, how will you read this whole number?
35.
35. If I added 2 here, the whole number will be read as?
235.
Very good.
245.
Very good. Mahirni, if I add a 4 here, what will the whole number be read as?
4235.
Very good. So because this 4 is under thousands place, it's 4,235. Okay. And when you are adding,
And it's written 10,000 as your
yeah. So if you're writing a number under 10, let's say 9. So this becomes 94,235. Okay. So thousands and 10,000s will be read together. This is 94,235. Did you understand this, children?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
So will you all be able to read a number now?
Yes.
Can we have one quiz? Can we have a quiz on this? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Mahirini, are you here? Mahirini?
Hello.
Mahirini? Yeah. What is this number read as? Mahirini, I want only Mahirini to answer.
8.
Mm.
8,000.
Mm.
8,000.
Mm.
103.
100 and what 3?
23.
Very good. Good point. Good job. Now it's for Nipun. Nipun, can you read this for me? What number is this?
900.
No, 900. No. Ah,
157.
very good. Darsh, can you read this for me? Darsh,
6,666.
very good. Mahira, can you read this for me?
Ma'am, we haven't learned 1,000 at school. Yeah.
Oh, no, okay, we are learning it here, okay? So it's, how will you read this number now?
In the picture.
Hmm? How will you read this number now? Ones, tens, hundreds, and then you start from thousands. So how many thousands are here?
3.
3,000. Read this number. 3,000.
845.
Very good. So number becomes 3,845. Understood how all of you are clear with how to read a number?
Yes.
Okay. Now can we go for 5-digit numbers, including
Yes.
10,000? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I'll read one number and the remaining numbers you're going to read. Okay. So this will be, children. See, you have to start counting it once, tens, hundreds, thousands, and you have 10,000s. Okay. When you have 10,000s, what will you do? You will read it together. So 15,362. Okay. How will you read this number as? 15,362.
62.
Very good. All of you understood how to read this?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Nipun, can you read this for me?
Yes.
Mm.
23,817.
Very good. Mahira, can you read this for me? Mahira?
Mahi, why don't you read only the hundreds, tens, and ones? Only read this number. Can you read? 7.
765.
Very good. Before hundreds, you have thousands. So if you include the thousands, how will you get it?
8,000.
Mm.
One,
Correct.
7,
8,000. Mm.
Very good.
765.
Very good. Now, if you're including also the 9, this becomes 98,000. Okay, now read it.
98,765.
Mm. Very good. You got it now, Mahira. Yeah, did you get it?
Yes.
Very good job. We're going to do one more at the end, okay? So that you'll be more confident, okay? Mahirni, can you read this for me?
Yes.
Mm.
12,834.
Very good. Dash, can you read this for me?
40,632.
Very good. Mahira, and this is your next question. Mm. How will you read this? You can take your time and just tell.
8 and 3 is? Just 8 and
Together.
3 is? Which number?
83,174.
1,000.
Mm. Very good. So all of you clear how to read a number, children now? Yeah? Everybody clear? Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now listen to me. You all know even numbers and odd numbers now?
Yes.
Okay. If a number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, what number is it?
Even.
Very good. If it ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, what number is it?
Odd.
Odd. Okay, children. Now you know what you're going to do? Okay, now here is a very, very interesting task for you all. Are you all ready for that? It's a fun activity. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, can you all see me?
Yes.
Okay, I can also see you all. So what we're going to do is I can definitely look at the videos. Okay, so I will be writing a number. Okay, you're going to find out if the number is odd or even. Okay, if you think the number is even, you're going to smile at me. If you think the number is odd, you're going to cry. Okay, you're going to do the action of crying. Okay, so if it's even, you will laugh, and if it's odd, you're going to cry. Ready? Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Do you think you can do this?
Yes.
Easy activity or tough? But I'll be watching who's doing this for the first time. Okay, I'll be noticing it. Okay, so I'm going to give a number. Okay, so this is the number. Cry if it's odd and smile if it's even. Are you going to laugh or cry? Look at the board. Are you going to cry or smile? Is the number odd or even, children? 1 minute. Yeah. Is the number odd or even? Is the number odd or even?
Odd.
So if it's odd, will you cry or laugh?
Cry.
Are you going to cry or laugh? Cry. Yeah, nobody is acting.
If it is odd, ma'am told to cry. Action. Crying action.
Crying action. Yeah, Mahini does that. Very good. Mahira does that. Okay. Nipun also does it. Dash. Is it odd or even number, Dash? Odd. Okay. So here is the next number, and this time I'm going to give you a 3-digit number. You're going to cry if it's an odd number and smile if it's an even number. 804. So is it laughing or crying? What are you going to do? Okay, Nipun does that right. Okay, Mahini also does that right. Mahira and Dash, I'm waiting for your actions. Smiling or crying? What are you going to do? Okay, everybody. Oh, Dash, you say this is an odd number. You're crying. So is 804 an odd number, Dash? Hmm? Is it an odd number or an even number? Dash, unmute yourself and tell me, is it an odd number or an even number? Hmm? Odd or even? What number is that? Ah, okay, so this is an even number. Okay, children. Okay. Okay. What number is it? Odd or even? Just be oral. Orally, you tell me, is it odd number or even number?
Odd.
Odd number. Very good, Mahira. And this time it's the turn of Nipun. You're going to tell me, Nipun. Is it odd or even number? Nipun, is it an odd number or even number? Hmm? Odd number. Okay, good. Mahini, this is your chance. Tell me, is it an odd number or an even number? 6480. Mahini, what number is it? You're smiling. Good. It's an even number. Good. Okay. Dash, is it an odd number or an even number?
Uh,
Is it an odd number or an even number? Don't- You're laughing. Okay, good, good. Very good. So this is an even number. Very good. Okay, so I think there is a new friend who has joined us. Lerato.
Hi, I'm just going to collect my daughter because I was trying to set up the Zoom. Please just give me 1 second. All right.
Sure.
Lady, come.
Okay, children. Now you know. See, today you how to read a number, right? And you also learned whether it's an odd, how to find an odd number and an even number, right? So today we are going to also learn the place and the value. You're also going to learn the place and the face value. Okay, children. Now listen to me. So the number I'm writing is 438. Okay, so what is the place of 8? In which place is 8? What is the place of 8? Is ones, tens, hundreds. In ones. So the place value of 8 is what? The place value of 8 is what?
One. Unit.
What will you
One.
write it? Okay, you just write it as 8 ones, which is 8. Okay, and then if you're writing the place value of 10, okay, 10 has how many zeros? Tens place, 10, 10 how many zeros you have for tens?
Answer. 10 has how many zeros?
One.
10.
One
How
zero.
many zeros you have for 10?
1 0.
1 0. So after the 3, you add a 0, making it
0.
30.
30.
3, 30. Okay, if the place value is 10, you're adding a 0. If the place value is 100, how many zeros are you adding?
और 3 में 0 ऐड कर लेंगे
So that becomes 400. So what's the place value of
400. 2.
400. Did you understand this? Yeah, so 2 becomes 400. Did you understand this?
Yes. है ना? पूछेगा तो
Wait, we'll do one more. We'll do one more so that you will understand it even better.
देखो मैम दिए क्वेश्चन ध्यान दो
Ma'am, can you please
Yes, नाटक में
There's
What is the place value of 5 children?
1
So it will be just 5 because it has no zero, right? And the place value of 6 will be
6060
6060. Good. The place value of 7 will be
100
100. Very good. And the place value of 3 will be
3000
okay. Now, honestly tell me how many of you did not understand this? Did you understand, Malini?
Yes.
Okay. What about Dash? Have you got it?
Yes. Yes.
Have you understood it, Mahira? Yes. What about Nipun? Have you understood it? Yes. Please copy it down, children. And Lerata, good evening. How are you?
Good, thanks, and how are you?
speak up?
I'm great. Thank you so much. So where are you from, Lerato?
Oh, her name is Lady Larata is the mom.
Oh, I'm sorry. So can you please rename that?
I'm
I
gonna
get read that.
let me see. I don't know why it doesn't want us to add. You must tell them you're from South Africa because that's where you're from. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do this. Her name is Lady.
One student is from South Africa.
Buledi. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. So Buledi, yes. So you're from South Africa, right? Good. Okay.
Yes.
This is the first class. We've just half class done today. Okay. So there is another half class for you to go. And this is an information for all the parents out there. So all of you, yeah, Dash, Nipun, and Mahira, are all of you with your parents?
Yes.
Is your parents? Yes. Everybody? Okay. So I just wanted to tell you this. Maybe if you're late for the class or by any chance you're not able to attend the class, something like that. So you can always avail the recording that will be posted within a day. Okay, and the recording link will be given to you. So you can check that out and maybe that will be easy for you to have a follow-up before you come for the next class. Because you don't have to miss anything that in a situation where you're not able to attend the class completely. So you can always avail the recordings that will be shared. And at the end of the class, I will also be today at the end of the class, I would like to tell you the process of it, especially regarding how tests work and how the classes will take henceforth. So yeah, just this is about the recording. So usually the class is for 6:30, between 6:30 and 7:45 with a 5-minute break in between. And that's how the session flows. Okay. And if you have any doubts, you can please tell me. Okay. So have you all copied it, children? Have you all copied it down? Yes or no? Give me some thumbs up if yes.
Yes.
Very good.
Nothing.
Okay. So if you had copied, here is your 5-minute break for day 1. Okay, your class resumes at 7:13. In 5 minutes, your class begins. You need not leave the meeting, just switch off your audio and video, and then you can rejoin at 7:30 after 5 minutes. Okay. Thank you. I mean, don't leave the meeting. Yes, Mahini. You've written?
Yes.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you so much. Yeah, now you can take your break for 5 minutes and come back.
He's in the kitchen. Okay. Mm. Started, mom.
Ma'am.
Yes, are you all back?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so is everybody back with your videos on? Nipun and Mahira, waiting for you both. We have a minute, no problem. Okay, so yeah, have you understood this? Buliti, are you? I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right. Am I getting it right?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, good. Okay, so here we go. And yeah, clear until now, all of you. Any doubts? No doubts? Okay, children. Now I want you all to do the same thing. How we did for this number, you're going to do for another number that I'm going to write on the board, and then we are going to check that out later. Okay? And I request the parents, because this is the first class, like the first two classes, I request you to be with them and guide them as they write. Yeah. Can you write the place value of each of these digits? on your note. And I'm giving you 2 minutes for that. Okay? The time starts now.
Lord.
What?
Okay, you're going to write the place value of this digit, this number as 8,152. You're going to write it on your note, and I'm giving you 1 minute. And after 1 minute, you should show to me on the camera. Okay? No, after a minute. 1 minute, Mahila. 1 minute. 1 minute. When I ask you, you can show.
Digit.
Let everybody finish.
कैसे कहाँ पे लिखा?
Just raise your hands
Paper
if you have finished writing, so that I know that you've completed. I know Mahila have completed. Okay, good. So waiting for Buliti, Darsh, Mahirni, and Nipun.
Hi.
1 moment.
Do you know what? We're having a problem with the
Sorry?
she can't write on the whiteboard. It keeps saying connection error, unable to load this
No.
whiteboard.
Yeah, actually, I mean, like, writing on the whiteboard is not possible. I wanted
Mm.
to write the note, and when I ask her, she can show it on the camera so that you can see.
I'm gonna write it on the but you know what the thing is? She can't see the whiteboard. Oh my gosh, what do we
You
do
can
here?
see the whiteboard. Wow. Okay.
I'm gonna send you a
Uh,
I don't know who to send a hi child control B. Control B. What is this? What's happening? So she can't you must just what was the number that they gave you?
So I did see it was
8152. I gave 8152 as
8152.
and I'm gonna write the place value.
152.
8152. Done.
Done. Okay.
Done.
Everybody,
I'm done.
everybody, done. Okay. Okay.
Make it quick, né?
Okay. Dash, can you show it to me on the camera so that can I check what you've written? Oh no, I want you to write the place value of each of the digits. 2 is 2, 5 is 50, like that. I want you to write the place value. Okay, yeah, write it down. Mahirni, can you show it to me on this camera?
Oh.
A little closer, please. I can't see. So, wow, very good job. Thank you. Yes, Nipun, show it to me.
Ma'am, done.
1 minute, Dash. 50. I can't look at the last two. I hope it's right. Okay. Good. Mahira, can you show it to me? Ah, amazing. Good job. Very good. Very good. Yeah, Dash. Very good, Dash. Good. What you've written is the expanded form of it. Good. Very good. And Bolidi, have you finished?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you please show to me on the camera, please? A little towards your right. Yeah, I think that was visible. That was visible. Wow. Good. Thank you. Okay, children. Initially for the first one or two topics, I would like to check your work also on the camera like this. And once you become masters and pros, I need not check it. Okay. Okay, now are you all able to see the whiteboard?
Yes or no reply, ma'am? Yes.
Yes. Bolidi,
Yes,
are you able to get the screen now? That I've written something on the board.
Something
Can you see
happened
that?
to the board.
Sorry?
Ask them to give you the number so you can.
Can you please give me the number?
Okay, then we'll do that. Okay, now this time we are going to do for a bigger number. You're going to write the place value for a bigger number, children. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay, so the tip is very easy. Okay, last time we wrote this 8152. No, so you wrote the 2 here and 5, and there is one digit after 5. So you add a 0. Now after 1, there are 2 digits. So you add 2 zeros. And after 8, there are 3 digits. So you're writing 3 zeros, right? So this is how we are going to write the place values. The same logic you're going to apply for even larger numbers. 73165 is the next number. 73165, and I want you all to write the place value of this number, and I'm giving you 2 minutes. 73,165.
Did you get it?
Yes, I did.
It was right on a new page. You have so many pages. You're gonna choose this.
Well, I'm just turning it around so it makes it easier.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done. Okay, give me a minute. Let everybody finish, and then I'll ask you for showing it. Okay?
I'm done.
Have you done? Mahira did. Bolidi did. Mahirni did. Vipun and Dash also did. Now, Dash, Vipun, have you completed? Okay, now all of you at once show it to me on the camera. Let me check it just directly. Okay. 1,100. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Nipun. I'm just waiting for your answer. Yeah. Take your time. Nipun, show to me. Show your answer to me on the camera. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Very good, smart ones. You all have done a good job today. Now, can we go for face value? So far, we've learned place value, and now can we start with face value?
Yes.
You know, face value is very, very easy. You know why? Does your face change every day? Does your face change every day? Or do you have the same face every day?
No.
Does it change?
Change.
Will
No.
it change? Every day face is new face, and tomorrow I'm going to see a different Mahirni. Is it so? Or am I going to see the same one?
Same one.
Same
Same
one, right?
Color different color.
See, listen to me. Now, face value is just the same digit. It does not change. The face value of 2 is 2. The face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 1 is 1. The face value of 3 is also 3. So there is nothing to bother. You're just going to write the same digit as it is to identify the face value of a digit. Clear?
Deal.
Is it easy? Or no? Easy or hard?
Easy. Easy.
Easy. So which is easier, face or place? Which is easier?
Both.
Both are easy. Wow,
Both.
that's nice. Okay, now this children, very good. Now this time, I don't want you to write only the face value. Okay, you're going to divide your note into 2. Okay, and here you're face value, and here you're writing the face value for 2,815. 2,815. Write the place and face value of these, and I'm giving you 3 minutes because you also need to write the face value.
पता है कहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? यहाँ पे प्लेस वैल्यू, यहाँ पे फेस वैल्यू। समझे हो फेस वैल्यू क्या होता है? और बड़ी क्लास में ध्यान रखना। करते रहो।
Done?
Yes.
Any doubts? One more minute. Okay. Have you completed? Yeah, Mahirni done. Bolidi, have you done?
Yes.
Yeah. Darsh, have you completed?
Yes.
Nipun, have you completed? Mahi, have you completed?
Yes.
Very good. So I'm going to write down the answers. Check if you all have got the same answers. And please be honest with me. If answers are different, tell me maybe I am also wrong. So I can also correct.
You didn't know? Yeah.
Did you get the answers?
After what I give it,
Have you all got the same answers?
yes.
Sure. Have I done any mistake? No. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, you
Yeah.
haven't written in the second
Face value.
face value.
Which one?
You haven't, after 5 in the face value, you haven't written 1.
After 5 in the face value, I haven't.
समझे फेस वैल्यू क्या होता है? क्या?
Haven't. आपका सर
I can only hear haven't. What happened?
You haven't.
You haven't what? Ma'am cannot hear you.
You haven't put in a 1 in the face value after 5.
No, I've written for 1, 8, 2. Yes.
Oh, we can't see
Oh.
it.
Okay. Maybe try zooming it out so that the entire screen will be visible. It should be 100% the thing. Or maybe even lesser.
Ma'am, I can see now.
Very good. Okay. Okay, children. Now you all have become masters in writing the place and face values now. Yes or no? Okay. But you know what? Generally, this is what I will do on the first class. But because you all have completed the lesser time than I thought. Can we also learn one more thing?
Yes.
Okay. Can we? Are you all up for that? Are you all ready for that?
Ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to learn the expanded form. Do you know what expanded form is?
Yes.
You know? Wow. So
No.
if the expanded form, okay, see, it's very easy. Expanded form is just writing the place values by adding, by putting a plus symbol. Okay, so what is the place value of 2 here? What is the place value of 2 here?
7. Kuka,
Place,
kuka.
place value
2000.
2000.
2000.
Okay,
700.
and 7 will be?
7. 700. 10. 4. 10.
Ah,
100. 10. Plus 4.
that's all. So you're writing the place value of every digit by adding a plus symbol between them. And that becomes the expanded form. Understood, children? Yes, it's just writing the place value with a plus symbol. Yes, understood?
Yes.
Can you please copy it down?
काय करायचं थोडं कॉपी करतो
I'm finished.
Okay.
यही लिखना था. Ma'am, I'm finished.
Everybody finished?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now can you all do it for one more number I'm giving you? The expanded form of a number I'm going to give you. Can you all do that for me?
Yes.
Can I give you a bigger number, a 5-digit number this time?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. Hmm.
72,000. Perfect. Ma'am, come. Ma'am, I'm finished. I'm
Everybody?
finished.
Okay, so can you all show it to me on the camera? Let's see how have you written it. From what I can see, Mahidni has written it right. A little upper. Okay, Bolidi, I think, see, you've written the place value of 7 as 7,000. Okay, but it should be 70,000. Check it again. And yes, Mahira, please show it to me a little closer. Bring your paper a little closer. 70,000, 2,000. Ah, very good. Thank you. Dash, you're right. Okay, good. Nipun, show your answer to me on the camera. Nipun and Bolidi, if you have done, please show to me on the camera.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, the same thing. Check the place value of all the other digits as well. Bolidi, you just
Okay, let
need
me-
to add 0 in every place. That's it. Yeah. Nipun, show your show your work on the camera to me, please. Let me check it out. A minute. It's not steady. 1 second. 1 second. It's getting steady. So have you written 70,000?
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Done, Bolidi?
Not yet.
Yeah. Okay. See, children, today you all have understood what even number and odd numbers are.
Yes.
Okay. And how to write the
Yes.
place and place value of a number.
Yes.
Okay. Do you all have you all also learned to read a 5-digit number? Yes. And
Yes.
how about the expanded form? Are you all able to write that also?
Yes.
Very good. That's amazing. You all are very, very smart ones, getting them all on the very first class, right?
Yes.
Good job.
Yes.
Dash has become hungry, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay,
To
okay. I
get
was
up
just
at 5:30 in the morning.
no problem. I was just kidding. No problem. It's okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, children. See, today is the first class, so this is all we are going to do. But then, before we end the class, I will have a few questions and you will answer them for me. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. You're going to tell me whether I'm right or wrong. You're going to tell me true or false. Okay. If I'm wrong, you're going to tell me, ma'am, you're wrong. Okay.
Yes.
And if I'm right, you're going to happily tell me that I'm right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, children. Now I'm telling you,
Focus.
57 is an even number.
False.
Am I right or wrong? If I say
False.
57 is an even
Wrong.
number.
Odd number. Odd. 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 False. False.
Odd number.
Odd.
Okay.
number.
Focus on the class.
Okay. Good, good. Okay, which year are we in? Which year are we in? 2000?
No.
Now, which year are we
2004.
Every day you write the date. Which is the year?
in? Year.
2007. Ma'am, 2025.
2020?
2025.
2025.
25.
Is it an
2000.
odd number or an even number?
2025.
Is it odd or even? Ma'am is
Now,
asking.
is 2025 an odd number or an even
Odd
number?
number.
Odd
Odd number. Odd.
Okay, very good. Okay, and here is the last question, and that's the most difficult question of all. Are you ready for that? The most difficult one. Okay, I am telling you that the place value and the face value of one's place is the same.
Yeah.
The place
True
value
or
and
false, Mahira?
face value
Yes.
of one's place. Let me give you an example. You understand it better. Okay, for this number, this is one's place, right? This number for 5, I'm telling the place value is equal to the face value. Am I right or wrong?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Are you just copying or do you know? You don't know. So see,
What is
ma'am,
the
I did.
place value of 5?
Yes.
Answer ma'am's question. What ma'am is asking, what is the place value of 5?
What is the place value of 5?
5. 1.
The face value?
5.
The face value of 5?
Now focus
Are
and
they same?
5.
answer.
We have to 5 here.
Are they same?
Value, the place value 5 is 5.
Yes.
And what is the face value? Ma'am is asking what is the face value.
There.
What is the face value? Ma'am is asking.
Are they
2 minutes.
are they same or not? Yes. So you're going to write this down, children, that the place value and the face value of one's place is always the same.
Copy this sentence.
Amma,
That's the last part of the class. If you copy it, then you're almost done.
Bye, ma'am.
No, bye. I have not finished the class yet.
Dash.
Why, Dash? Is my class so boring? Hmm? Why, Dash? Dash, listen to me carefully. Come sit properly. Yeah, you're a good one. Come sit properly and tell me. Okay, you know what? If you're finding it sleepy, I will have an activity. Would you like to do the activity? Hmm? So if anyone sleeps in my class, no, I will have an activity. And that's to do 10 push-ups. Can you do 10 push-ups?
Okay.
Oh, no, not now. Not now. Next time, if you feel sleepy, I'll ask you to do that, okay? 10 push-ups. Okay. Okay, children, fine. So have you
Ma'am,
copied it?
you will be taking the classes for all the this one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. I'm for this batch. Yeah.
Okay, fine. No.
Ma'am, I'm done.
You're done, Mahirni. Good. Everybody is done?
Yes.
Okay. So what is your homework that I mentioned in the very beginning of the class? Today, what's going to be your homework?
Yes, homework.
Which table are you going to learn for today?
Table are you going to learn today? Ma'am is asking something.
And we haven't done multiplication at school. Two.
That's okay, Mahira. But for our classes, we will be a little far ahead. Okay, no problem. We can take it slow. We can start learning one by one. Today, 2 and tomorrow, 3. Okay, you'll try learning. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, all of you. Can you all do that for me? It will not be very hard. You need not force yourself. Just 3, 4 times you keep telling the tables every day and you will get. Okay? Okay, because see, the thing is, after this first chapter, now everything involves multiplication. So we need to be strong with tables. We will get
Very
used to it.
important. You
You
have
have to
already learned
worry.
the table. Good boy.
But let's start to learn. See?
20 पर्यंत बस जाए.
When
Next
I
children.
talk, please listen to me.
बघ ma'am काय म्हणतात.
Please listen to me when I talk. Yeah. Okay, listen to me. Yes. So I want you to all start learning the tables one by one every day. So every week you're learning at least 3 tables, 2, 3, 4 for this week. Okay. This week, not just today. Okay, the whole week. Okay. Clear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then so how with me?
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Yeah. Was it all good? Okay. When's your
Ma'am,
class?
I just wanted to have a word with you. Ma'am, in Mahira school, they've just started now in the last 3 days doing hundreds. In class 1, they had done only till 99. And
Okay.
here you're doing, 5-digit numbers, for example, today, or multiplication, but she
Yes,
doesn't
yes.
even know what multiplication is.
Mm.
So how will she cope with this? Because I can't explain to her what multiplication is and then get her to learn the tables. I'm not a
Yes.
teacher. I can't do that.
Yes, yes, I get it. Actually, for Olympiad exams, knowing till thousands is something uh, which should have been a little earlierly done, but then it's okay. We have a lot of time. The Olympiad exams for her will usually be this December, so we have about 9 months of time, so we can cope it up. Okay, and I can assure you on that because we have a lot of time. But I would like to tell you that we need to begin things at a slower pace so that she has to feel comfortable because we have a lot of time. It's always good to begin slow. So today, okay, I'm not for maybe we'll exclude the tables for her. Okay, for now, and just let her understand how numbers works between 100 and 1,000 for this week, and then slowly she starts increasing the numbers that she knows. She widens the amount of numbers she knows slowly, maybe in a week or two. And once she is clear and very confident with the numbers, that's when addition and subtraction will come into play. So addition subtraction is definitely not coming for the next 2 weeks. And it's after that only we will include multiplication and division, which will
And in
definitely.
addition and subtraction, will you be doing carryover addition and subtraction as
Yes,
well?
yes, yes, yes. That's
Ma'am,
definitely.
but these are things that has it. I see so she goes to Sri Ram School in Gurgaon. It is one of
Mm,
the best schools in the country. But
mm,
this is the pace that the school is following. Now, if those things happen, I'm very worried that it'll actually undermine her confidence, because otherwise she is very good in whatever she's doing at school. She's
mm.
at the top. But suddenly, with these classes, she'll feel left out because she may not be able to cope with, whatever's happening.
Yeah, I totally understand. See, actually, the thing is, every batch I get to see children who come and tell me, like, I know only till 100 and not more than that. I get to meet them, but at the end, trust me, I'm not, I'm a teacher. I've been with this profession for over 7 years now, and I don't lie. I promise you that towards the end, they feel definitely no inferior to the other children among them because my sessions when I teach it'll definitely be from the scratch and she can definitely get it.
Oh my God,
That's
what's on the
okay.
board?
So maybe it takes if maybe if I explain one question and maybe she would require an additional question explanation for her to gain that confidence, and that's totally fine when someone begins to learn something. At the beginning stage, it's totally acceptable and it's totally fine, right? So you don't have to worry so much about it because as you can see, I give equal importance to each children, so I'll have an eye on her. I'll definitely follow her up with the work she does, and if there's any feedback I also request because they are in grade 2. I genuinely expect, and I mean, if I can say expect, or I genuinely recommend parents to be with them throughout for the next 5 6 classes, so that if there is anything that I can suggest as feedback which you parents can help them out from home, that would be more appreciated. So that's the only thing. Otherwise, I'm sure she can, because today when I said as she was reading, I think it was your suggestion of reading only the last 3-digit number when I had written a 5-digit number on the board. And she did that. And the next time I said, if this is thousands place, what should it become? She immediately got it. So definitely,
Yes.
I think that is giving me the confidence that she can cope it up.
Okay. Sure. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So yeah, thank you. And please, yeah, next class I'll explain about the tests. I forgot. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. And as I mentioned, I recommend parents to be with the children for the next 4 5 classes, so that if they are also comfortable with me asking the questions, that once they get that comfort, and I think it will all be fine. But at least for the initial few classes, I recommend you to be with them. And if there is any other feedback, you can always tell me right here on the class, and I'll be
Sure.
happy to respond. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And good evening. Bye.
Hmm? Cut it to your left. Ninja sir, Ninja sir.